You know, I was watching the Prime Minister speaking about how Zionism is an innocent term. Because all it is an innocent Jewish connection to a homeland. We know exactly what Zionism is. Just as you've tried to rob us of our own slogans and tell us that saying Free Palestine is problematic, Zionism is in the boots that have been put on the necks of our brothers and sisters in Jerusalem for all of these years. Zionism is in the bulldozers that have bulldozed our homes and increased illegal settlements by the thousands and the millions. Zionism is in the disappearing land of the indigenous Palestinian people. Zionism is in the hateful rhetoric spewed by every single segment of the Israeli government. Zionism is in the bombs and in the skunk spray and in the white phosphorus that's been falling on our people. You can't gaslight the people anymore and pretend that this isn't the ugliest ethno-supremacist ideology that exists in the world today.